Geneva Airport is an autonomous public establishment. It is 340 hectares and 18 million passengers. We have more than 40,000 pieces of equipment listed on the platform. Geneva Airport requires very demanding maintenance, and CMMS is the tool we need for that. The computerized maintenance management system will allow us to very efficiently track all European, federal and cantonal constraints to which we are subject, and since 2011 we have had CARL software on the platform.
Here, with CARL source, we manage the work with plans and maintenance schedules. We also manage the stock as well as the equipment that can be viewed through various trees. The software allows us to schedule the interventions of internal or external teams and calculate occupation times, organize purchase requests and orders related to stock, and have an overview of maintenance activities through dashboards. And to simplify the activity of our technicians in the field, we have implemented CARL, the mobile CMMS application. The computerized maintenance management system is a strategic tool of the information system. Our interfaces with supervision, SCADA, the ticketing tool, and web intelligence tools allow us to efficiently manage our equipment fleet. We gain many benefits from using the software, such as real-time visibility of the status of the equipment fleet and the traceability of all interventions. A real decision-making tool with its numerous indicators, CARL Source has allowed us to improve the availability rate of our equipment and reduce our maintenance costs. In 2 years, we achieved 20% savings on stock valuation.
I am now responsible for these projects. Here we manage telescopic bridges, lifts, and some various repairs. With the bridges, we have airplanes. We cannot afford to have delays. We intervene as quickly as possible. I manage a team of 5 people who do preventive and corrective maintenance, who work daily with CARL sources, who receive calls from the PCT to go and do all kinds of repairs, and who must track all their repairs on CARLs. We have a major meeting with the council. All maintenance is the case is recorded. The technician must log their hours, their operations, note what they did, if they reset, if they change the component. With CALSO, it can order parts for us automatically. We are also linked with the parts store where we have minimum stock, maximum stock. So we have gained in speed and especially in traceability with respect to the companies regarding the different audits in which I participate. I can prove to them beyond a doubt that the maintenance is done according to the rules of the art and in the best and fastest way possible.
I am responsible for the maintenance coordination of the baggage handling system, a very technical system that spans approximately 10 kilometers of conveyor belt with extracted machines, a fairly high performance rate that requires very precise maintenance. And all this is measured through our computerized maintenance management system. So we have a maintenance contract with an external maintainer at the airport. The provider enters all the data into CARL source. All their interventions are recorded in it. This allows me, as a manager, to measure the maintenance performance, which involves KPIs, which are contractual, and to calculate the availability of our system. One of the benefits of CARL source has been interfacing with the SCADA system, which is a supervision system. It is the main tool for the operator who will manage the baggage handling system. So in the event of a breakdown with just 3 clicks on the relevant equipment, they can automatically trigger an intervention in the framework.
As a part of our continuous improvement approach, we are considering involving students in CARL source to optimize the location of facilities and implement CARL Flash, the service request tool for airlines, commercial concessions, and passengers.
The CMMS ensures our efficiency at Geneva Airport. It is thanks to this that we obtained the ISO 50001 certification, which is energy management, and ISO 55001, which is asset management. We were actually the first airport in continental Europe to be certified to this standard.